Hello guys, welcome back to Master YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for your support and liking the video and subscribing, and then kindly just subscribe if you are a new member. So guys, today we are going to play again. We played hot fruit. Firstly, we spent 200 rand, we didn't win anything. Then I deposited another money in this Hollywood bet. We are going to play Siren spell now. We want to see which one is gonna give us something. I will start with a few spins of 1 rand 50. So with these few spins of 1 rand 50, we are going to play let me just do 20. Then we're gonna see if we can get the bonus here for 1 rand 50, if we can be on profit. So let's see what will happen, guys, and I hope you are enjoying, you are having fun on this January. So let's hope something better can happen here, guys. And then let me know in the comment section, guys, if you are well. Oh, I thought we are going to get the bonus there. All right, let's hope Siren spell is not going to play us dirty. Maybe it will give us something, as at least if we can make a profit of 500 rand, it's gonna be better, or something above that. Okay, let's see how much this will give us. Won't be that much, but at least we are playing with 1 rand 50. So let's see the power of 1 rand 50. Let's see what 1 rand 50 can do. Okay guys, I'm gonna try, like, we spin. Okay, we just need a very huge combination here, guys. Oh, okay, no bonus there. Right, no connection. Oh look, if it was only the higher symbol there, it was going to be nice. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you are fine, and if you have any suggestion. Okay, nothing so far. Let's see if we can grab something here. We just need a very nice. Okay, all right guys, I'm just gonna take it all and buy a bonus. Let's see, here is in Hollywood bet. Let's see how much this bonus is gonna give us. So as you can see, this January, guys, these machines, they are, look, these games are like in January too, but let's hope something is gonna come up. Okay, I'm loving the start. The start is good. If it can continue the same way. Okay, we have unlocked the first level. And I think we have 21. Yeah, 20. Let's see with this 20 if we can unlock the second level. All right. Okay, 6 to go. Oh, we couldn't get. All right. 18 rand. All right, this bonus buy, it end with profit, guys. So let's see with 20 again, but this is too small. Maybe we can get another bonus. We build it back to where we started. So far when I'm comparing, guys, I feel like Siren spell, it played so well. Oh, if and only those ladies that were in that side there, it played so well. It tried so far, but I feel like it's better than hot fruit. I don't know what you guys say. Okay, guys, let me just buy one more again. Maybe we can unlock all the level, then we can. Okay. Nothing is happening. Oh, okay. I don't think we're gonna unlock this level, guys. It's not promising. Nothing. This can't help. This won't help us at all. Oh, it's the last spin. All right. It really need to give us a bonus now, because it played us deity there. All right. Okay, finally it gave us the bonus because it played us deity there. So let's see what this bonus is holding for us. If it can be the one. And don't forget, guys, play responsible. Play responsible in this January when you are gambling. Gamble responsible. Okay, this might be better. Let's see where it lands us. 10 rand. It's gonna take that at least. But we didn't really make a profit. So I'm not gonna waste time. I'm gonna buy a bonus again. Let's see where this bonus, because we lost the second one, so let's see what will happen to this bonus. Okay, a good start. That's what we want. If it can do more like that, more of that, we can be so fine. We can get something. So guys, when you play this game, check your income first. Don't play like others. If you don't have much money, don't play like those who have a lot. So play according to what you have and what you can afford. But that when you lose, you don't have that much stress, you see. We're only left with one spin. I don't know if we're gonna unlock this level, guys. We're only left with one. We couldn't unlock it and we didn't make a profit for the second time. Siren spell, give us this money. We need this money. Siren spell. Okay, didn't get the bonus there. Okay, 3 rand. Let's see where this 3 rand is gonna land us. All right. Okay, there were so many fish, but in the last section Alright guys, I tried playing Siren spell as you have seen it, so we couldn't make any profit at all. So guys, I will catch you up in the next video. It seems like today is a day that we are losing, but let's hope next time we're gonna win. And then if kindly subscribe and share, and then I will catch you guys. I'm going to be also live. I'm gonna schedule. I'm still thinking. I don't just want to say I'm gonna go live and I don't go live. I want to make sure that when I say live, my things are in order, because guys, I don't only gamble only. I have a duty. I have a work that I do that gives me money. So thank you guys, and catch you up in the next video. Have a good day and enjoy.